Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw money from MetaTrader 5. Now this is very quick and easy. Just need to click here in the navigator, just open the navigator or payment section at the very bottom or like right, and after that you will have like two different options, whether you want to deposit money or withdraw money. Now you just need to click on withdraw money. Okay, so next step guys, you want to add here the desired amount you want to withdraw. You can withdraw money, for example, to PayPal, direct bank, wire transfer, Visa, AustroPay, Pix, Web Money. So we are going to use Web Money for this. Now just need to click here on any, choose any payment method you want, and here the payment service provider, you can just add here unlimited card or add the new card here. By the way, the fee here is going to be $10. Okay, so after guys you choose the payment method, you just need to click here on continue. Okay, now next step, you want to add here as you can see we have selected the Web Money, and as you can see just need to enter here your first name and last name and e-wallet account that is associated with your Web Money. Now if you select for example PayPal, you will have to enter here your email so that you can receive the payments. And here, by the way, you can add here your own country and click on continue. Okay, so that's exactly guys how you can withdraw money from MetaTrader 5. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next tutorial. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.